In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale a car detailing business. The first thing you need to do is make sure you already have one solid winning offer. Before you try to grow, you want a service that people are already booking again and again, like a full interior and exterior detail. You also need consistent quality and a steady flow of at least 3 to 5 bookings per week. The key idea here is simple. Don't try to scale something that's still messy or unproven. Scale what already works. Next, standardize your process. If everything depends on you personally, growth becomes very difficult. Create a simple system for how every job gets done. That includes your step-by-step cleaning process, how long each service should take, checklists for different types of vehicles, and a fixed pricing structure. This makes your business more organized and also makes it much easier to train help later. Once your process is clear, hire your first helper. Start small, with one person who can assist with washing or interior work. Train them using your system and keep your attention on the final quality check and customer communication. This one change can increase your capacity right away without lowering your standards. After that, focus on increasing daily capacity. With help in place, you may be able to go from 1 car a day to 2, 3, or even 4. Offer scheduled bookings and reduce downtime between jobs. That way, you're earning more from your current demand before spending more on advertising. As profits come in, upgrade your equipment. Better tools help you work faster and more efficiently. That could mean a stronger pressure washer, a better wet and dry vacuum, a polisher for paint correction, or a portable generator if you run a mobile setup. Faster equipment means more cars completed in less time. You'll also want to build a stronger booking system. Don't rely only on casual chat messages. Use a proper page messaging setup, a simple booking form or sheet, and fixed time slots. This helps prevent confusion, missed appointments, and double bookings. As you grow, improve your branding. A professional image builds trust. That can include a logo, uniform shirts, simple vehicle branding, and a consistent style for your photos and posts. People are often more comfortable paying higher prices when the business looks polished and reliable. Then focus on repeat customers, not just new ones. Monthly maintenance plans, return customer discounts, and reminder messages every few weeks can create stable income. After that, expand your marketing beyond one platform by using short-form videos, local partnerships, and referrals. Finally, increase profit per car with high-value services, and when demand becomes stable, open a second location or build another mobile team. At that stage, your systems and team are doing the work. While you focus on marketing, customer relationships, and growth, that's when a detailing business truly becomes scalable.